Patio doors Washington, D.C. homeowners choose can transform a rowhouse, condo, or townhouse with better access, brighter interiors, and stronger curb appeal. Residential patio doors in Georgetown, Capitol Hill, DuPont Circle, Northwest D.C., and Columbia Heights often need custom patio doors Washington, D.C. solutions that match historic trim, modern layouts, and tight openings. Sliding patio doors Washington, D.C. Glass patio door replacement, patio door replacement Washington, D.C., and patio door installation near Georgetown all support smoother operation and better performance. Door and window contractors serving Washington, D.C. can also recommend patio door hardware replacement, weatherproof windows Washington, D.C., and residential glazing services Washington, D.C. for a complete home window upgrade. Many homeowners pair patio doors Washington, D.C. projects with window improvements to create a more cohesive, energy-efficient exterior. Energy-efficient window installation matters for Washington, D.C. weather, where summer heat, winter drafts, and street noise can all affect comfort. Energy-efficient windows Washington, D.C. Low-E window glass, insulated glass units, double-pane windows Washington, D.C., triple-pane windows, and noise-reducing windows help lower utility costs while improving indoor comfort. Vinyl replacement windows, vinyl windows Washington, D.C., and replacement windows Washington, D.C. are popular for homeowners who want durable performance with less maintenance. Window installation Washington, D.C., residential window replacement Washington, D.C., and energy-efficient window installation Washington, D.C. are common upgrades for homes in Arlington, Virginia, Bethesda, Maryland, Silver Spring, Maryland, and Chevy Chase, where efficiency and value both matter. Custom window fitting and window frame replacement are essential for older properties and unique architectural openings across Northwest D.C., Capitol Hill, and DuPont Circle. Window frame installation Washington, D.C., weatherproof window sealing, and window installation and replacement help stop leaks, drafts, and condensation before they become larger issues. Replacement sash windows, awning windows, casement windows, bay and bow windows, and new construction windows can all be matched to the structure and style of the home. Home window contractors Washington, D.C. and door and window contractors can evaluate wood, aluminum, and vinyl systems for the best long-term solution. Many renovation projects also include patio doors Washington, D.C. upgrades to improve outdoor access, natural light, and overall property value. Sliding patio door installation is a smart choice for homes that need easier access to decks, gardens, and rear yards in Washington, D.C. and nearby Alexandria, Virginia. Residential patio doors with updated tracks, rollers, locks, and patio door hardware replacement improve daily use and security. Glass patio door replacement and sliding glass doors in DuPont Circle can modernize older units while preserving natural light. Patio door replacement. Washington, D.C., patio door replacement Washington, D.C., and residential patio door service in Columbia Heights are ideal for homeowners seeking a faster, cleaner upgrade that improves energy performance and curb appeal. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. is often requested when drafty panes, damaged sashes, or failing seals reduce comfort. Window upgrade near Capitol Hill, replacement windows in Northwest D.C., and home window replacement in Arlington, Virginia are common searches for property owners looking for dependable service and lasting materials. Double pane window replacement, insulated glass units, low-E window glass, and weatherproof window sealing help reduce heat transfer and outside noise. Custom window replacement in Chevy Chase and window contractors in Silver Spring, Maryland can also address specialty sizes, historic proportions, and modern efficiency goals. Home window upgrade projects in Washington, D.C. often combine style and function, especially when homeowners want better ventilation, more daylight, and improved aesthetics. Awning windows, casement windows, bay and bow windows, and replacement sash windows can enhance both classic and contemporary properties. Residential glass services. Washington, D.C., glass replacement Washington, D.C., and window frame installation Washington, D.C. provide targeted solutions for cracked panes, fogged units, and aging frames. New construction windows and custom window fitting are valuable for additions, renovations, and remodels throughout Bethesda, Maryland, Alexandria, Virginia, and Columbia Heights. Door installation. Washington, D.C. and patio door installation near Georgetown should be handled by experienced door and window contractors who understand local building requirements and neighborhood styles. Patio doors. Washington, D.C. properties benefit from precise measurement, proper alignment, and quality sealing to prevent energy loss and water intrusion. Sliding patio doors. Washington, D.C. Residential patio doors and custom patio doors. Washington, D.C. can all be selected to suit rear entrances, balconies, and garden access. Patio door hardware replacement and weatherproof windows. Washington, D.C. further improve reliability for homes in DuPont Circle, Northwest D.C., and Capitol Hill. Window installation. Washington, D.C. projects frequently include vinyl replacement windows, double pane window replacement, and energy-efficient window installation for better year-round performance. Home window contractors. Washington, D.C. can also handle window frame replacement, window installation and replacement, and weatherproof window sealing when existing systems are no longer performing. Residential window replacement. Washington, D.C. and replacement windows. Washington, D.C. are especially valuable in older homes where drafts, condensation, and warped frames are common. Energy-efficient windows. Washington, D.C. and noise-reducing windows are practical upgrades for busy streets in downtown Washington, D.C., Georgetown, and Columbia Heights. Replacement windows. Washington, D.C. and patio door replacement. Washington, D.C. are strong investments for homeowners who want to improve comfort, reduce maintenance, and enhance resale value. Vinyl windows. Washington, D.C. Custom window replacement in Chevy Chase and window contractors in Silver Spring, Maryland offer flexible options for varying budgets and styles. Home window replacement in Arlington, Virginia, patios doors in Alexandria, Virginia, and energy-efficient window installation in Bethesda, Maryland all show how regional service coverage matters. Residential glass services. Washington, D.C. Glass replacement. Washington, D.C. and door installation. Washington, D.C. round out a complete property improvement plan. Sliding patio doors. Washington, D.C. Residential glass services. Washington, D.C. and weatherproof windows. Washington, D.C. all contribute to a tighter, quieter, more efficient home. Whether the project involves replacement sash windows, triple pane windows, insulated glass units, or a complete residential window replacement, the goal is dependable performance and a polished finish. Window contractors in Silver Spring, Maryland, custom window replacement in Chevy Chase, and residential patio door service in Columbia Heights can provide tailored solutions for local homes. For patios doors. Washington, D.C. properties, strong materials and precise installation make all the difference. Patio doors. Washington, D.C. need durable hardware, smooth operation, and clean glass performance, especially for homes in Northwest D.C., Georgetown, DuPont Circle, Capitol Hill, and Columbia Heights. Residential patio doors. Sliding patio door installation. Patio door installation near Georgetown. Patio door replacement. Washington, D.C. and custom patio doors. Washington, D.C. can improve access, light, and curb appeal while supporting everyday use. Glass patio door replacement. Patio door hardware replacement. Residential patio door service in Columbia Heights, and sliding patio doors. Washington, D.C. help keep entryways functional for busy households throughout the district. Residential window replacement. Washington, D.C. pairs well with patio doors. Washington, D.C. for a complete home window upgrade. Home window contractors. Washington, D.C. Window installation. Washington, D.C. Replacement windows. Washington, D.C. and residential window replacement deliver better comfort in older row homes, condos, and townhomes across Northwest D.C., Arlington, Virginia, Bethesda, Maryland, Silver Spring, Maryland, Alexandria, Virginia, and Chevy Chase. Vinyl replacement windows. Vinyl windows. Washington, D.C. Double pane window replacement. Double pane windows. Washington, D.C. Triple pane windows and low-E window glass support energy-efficient windows. Washington, D.C. while reducing drafts and improving seasonal efficiency. Energy-efficient window installation Washington, D.C. and weatherproof windows Washington, D.C. are essential for homes needing better insulation, reduced noise, and improved performance. Weatherproof window ceiling, insulated glass units, noise-reducing windows, and weatherproof windows Washington, D.C. help protect against humidity, rain, and temperature swings common in the Washington, D.C. metro area. Energy-efficient window installation in Bethesda, Maryland. Energy-efficient windows Washington, D.C. and low-E window glass work well alongside replacement sash windows, window frame replacement, and window frame installation Washington, D.C. for a more reliable home upgrade near Capitol Hill and beyond. Custom window fitting and residential glazing services can address unique openings found in historic and modern properties throughout Washington, D.C. Awning windows, casement windows, bay and bow windows, new construction windows, and custom window replacement in Chevy Chase support style, ventilation, and long-term value. Window installation and replacement, glass replacement. Washington, D.C. Residential Glass Services Washington, D.C. and door and window contractors help homeowners manage everything from cracked panes to full replacement windows in Northwest D.C. and window contractors in Silver Spring, Maryland. Sliding glass doors in DuPont Circle, patio doors in Alexandria, Virginia, home window replacement in Arlington, Virginia, and replacement windows in Northwest D.C. show how regional service matters for speed and fit. Door installation Washington, D.C., Residential Glass Services Washington, D.C., and window upgrade near Capitol Hill can be coordinated with patio door replacement Washington, D.C., residential patio doors, and home window upgrade projects for a streamlined result. Whether the need is patio door replacement, residential window replacement, or glass patio door replacement, local expertise in Washington, D.C. delivers a cleaner finish and better performance. Choosing Patio Doors Washington, D.C. Homeowners Trust can further enhance energy efficiency, curb appeal, and everyday functionality throughout the home.